Here we are today. Very exciting for me. I've purchased a Rigel Series LightFox 20-inch light bar, and yeah, so I'm looking at unboxing this today. I'm going to fit it to my Pajero and give it a try tonight and just see how bright it is. I'm not sponsored for this. I'm just a regular purchaser. Bought this the other day and thought I'd install it and share my experience. Oh, the colour fittings. That's one of the things I liked about this particular light bar. You can change the colours on the ends, which I think is pretty cool. Pretty sexy looking light. 20-inch. I reckon that'll do a pretty good job. So this particular light didn't come with a wiring. The wiring, I don't need the wiring because I've already got wiring on mine. Now, I could either cut this and solder it into the existing wiring, but I don't want to do that. So yeah, so let's go for a spin. So the first thing I need to remove is this little super cheap light and this CB antenna. I'm not replacing the CB today, I'm just going to take it off and just sneak it in under here. It's only going to just fit. We'll see how this goes. So we'll take this out for a bit of a look-see now, hey? No lights, Parkers, normal lights, high beam, LightFox. Normal high beam. That's the LightFox. So I think that throws a pretty good light. You can see right out to the edges. That's normal high beam. Normal high beam. How good was that? It's a budget light bar, it's under $100. I was pretty impressed. I liked the spread that it had. It made it feel a lot safer driving home. Uh, yeah, for the money that I spent, I actually quite enjoyed installing it as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments which colour too. I've decided to leave the orange on for now. Okay, see you next time.